The colors of kingfishers are rich and varied, and they are found in many parts of the world, with most living in tropical regions of Africa, Asia, and Oceania, and occasionally they can also be seen in Europe. Kingfishers prefer to live deep in the forests near calm ponds and small rivers. All kingfishers have large heads, long and pointed beaks, short legs, and short, thick tails. Most have bright feathers. Although kingfishers are generally thought to live near rivers and eat fish, some kingfishers live far from water and feed on small invertebrates. Some kingfishers nest in the arboreal nests of termites. A few kingfishers living on islands face the threat of extinction. In the UK, the term kingfisher usually refers to the common kingfisher.